Hello. Alright, so I'm going to try this meatloaf that I know nothing about. Because I wasn't there when it was made because I was working. Work. That's what I was doing. I was working. Alright, so there. I'm going to take this piece here and let me see here. A little spoon. Alright. So I know nothing about it. The thing I think I heard was that it's got the sea salt in it, I think.
Yeah.
And by the sounds of it, a generous amount of sea salt, let's put it that way. So the simple things when using sea salt, the rule of thumb is 1/4 normal amount of normal salt. Okay? Okay.
The inner temperature is 160 and it was baked for an hour and a half.
I can taste the sea salt. Alright, so thank you for thank you for watching. As always, peace out, have a good one, bye bye. Yeah, I could really taste the sea salt.